Hey guys, this is 2011 Suzuki GSX-R600. Pretty much stock. With the stock exhaust pipe. I'm going to go ahead and pull that off and put this Radiant Cycles MotoGP slip-on. Now I've been doing a lot of research on YouTube and I can't find any of these bikes with the stock sound compared to this pipe, and I'm leaving the cat on. I'm not taking the cat off, leaving the stock header and cat. I'm just going to have this here on the end. So pretty much it's 3 bolts. You got this 5mm Allen, 12mm socket here, and then 10mm on the slip, on the clamp for the slip. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this off and throw this one on. But first I'll give you a sound check on the stock pipe. Alright, so I got the Radiant Cycles tip on. The only thing I don't like about this tip is it bends, it comes straight out, so you can't put that cover back on. And to take that stock tip off, or stock muffler, it was a 12mm here and a 12mm here, and then the 5mm Allen. Once you take this 5mm Allen out and you slide it down, it comes right off the cover. And then you just take this 12 off, take the 12 here, and the pipe comes right out. And then this was just a 10mm, slides right over. Got to kind of work it on because it's a little tight. But this, I'm probably going to have to go and get this pipe bent, because I want it to kind of come up closer to this to the swing arm here, so I can put that little fairing cover back on. So I'm not really liking how it's just sticking out there, but for now, it's on. And I'm going to do a little sound check for you guys. So you guys heard the stock pipe. Now this is with the Radiant Cycles MotoGP slip-on, with the stock header and the cap that's molded to it. So I just removed the muffler. That's it. Let's go ahead and give it